students are proudly presenting their provocation installation in front of parents and fellow students, transforming their classroom into a vibrant showcase of their creative journey. Join us as we explore their inspiring project from start to finish.
The students select a topic, gather complete and detailed information about it, and work collaboratively in teams. They neatly organize the collected information on chart paper and display it beautifully in their classroom. The students get help from a doctor to gain a better understanding of their P and I topics' bones.
They create a model of a bone for the installation.
And finally, they installed their provocation and installation project. Well done, students!